going to a forest. This forest is very, very big, and we are also here. Church also there. So come on, let's go. So this is a basketball court. And this basketball court is big and wide, and
The trees is
have a lot of cycles, and nobody uses.
Now you got the ball, you throw in you throw in all inside. Yeah. Hey, it's baby. Amma, Appa, it's baby. Appa, baby.
Yeah, it looks like a ghost town like that. And
Can I go here?
cat, come on, don't be a scaredy cat. And this temple is just like
Yes. That was the place.
this is a ghost house.
No, don't say ghost house. Okay.
Yeah.
You tell them the railway track.
Hello. This is the railway tracks. Now they are building something in there, a pipe or something. I don't know. Probably.
You guys,
19 something. There's a railway track over there.
the
Now I don't know what
you
happened.
got here, the snake eat you.
Oh, snake also. Very great. Hey, very good natural. You see the flower?
Say it.
Ah, nice. Nice place. What is this?
Huh?
பள்ளி ஓடுது.
It's a sea.
Sweet blow.
Yeah.
Inside have the anaconda.
No.
Any pythons?
Nah, no. Yeah, I think that is python, but no anaconda would. Yeah. Some python.
Hey, very natural trees, huh? Very green, everywhere green.
Papa.
Sometimes Rita.
So we going to where?
Now we are going to a forest.
Forest. Oh, good.
Yes.
The place is any tiger, any animals?
There's a chair over there.
They have any wild animals?
Probably some.
Some, lama.
Not
Yes.
most.
The test.
Hello, Madesh. They have any tiger, lion, anything?
Yes.
Ah, I very scary, you know.
In so high in this side.
Oh, good. Nice, very nice. Green color, everything good. Flowers, very natural.
I can see flower.
You see, yes.
Papa, flower.
Where? We can see there.
Yes.
Wait.
Come.
Are you showing this flower?
This is good.
Yeah, nice.
Hey.
Ah, very big tree.
Papa.
Ah, good.
Come, follow us.
Let me.
Yeah. Hey, you a shadow. Maybe and many come here. Please, your safety. Okay, can go there. We walk over. Nice walking
You're going.
place.
You're going inside the tiger come with you.
Oh, tiger. Maybe this is a tiger house.
Look at the lizard's place.
Ah, good.
Look at the flower over there.
Ah, we take just now.
There.
Okay, good.
Also here.
Also here.
Yeah, don't go near maybe anaconda or pythons or some green snake also here.
Tiger inside.
Go. Can go front side, please explain.
Yes.
Huh,
This is a
here exercise
Yeah,
place
that's
also.
a place.
not a rock.
This is over your house there?
Yeah, that's our house.
What's
Where is your house? Oh, very natural
That is
places.
the rock. The rock.
This place is very nice. Full of rocks. And it also have a lot of exercise place. And there over there, there's a playground. Now, inside the border, that's a jumping bed also.
Yes. Inside the floor.
Ah, very good, very
Inside the
good.
toilet.
So many. Ah, inside some
Um,
house also. Hey, good house inside. We can go there?
It look like a haunted place.
Oh, we can go there. The maybe bungalow house something.
Yeah, I think
அப்பா இங்க பாருங்க இந்த tree ஒண்ணும் இல்ல.
Oh, this is the no tree something.
No
or maybe ghost tree. I don't know.
No, the tree is dry.
Maybe lighting lah. Maybe
No,
lighting spoil the tree.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe the behind the house is nice. I think they stay somewhere.
Dad.
அப்பா அப்பா
Okay, can go.
We are not going in the stairs.
Huh? Yes.
the tiger in the other corner inside.
Anaconda in tiger inside. Ah, I very scared. I go out.
Follow.
One small other corner inside.
Small anaconda.
Yes.
Okay, we can go now.
Look at the rope in that.
Yes.
Hi, inside the tree, inside rope.
Eh?
Wait, I can see that. Ah, the tree maybe
Look at
grow
this one.
already.
One more loop is here. One loop.
Look at
Oh.
this one.
One loop.
Yeah,
One more loop.
nice.
This is
Nice,
Appa,
yes, yeah.
rope.
Yeah, this is
Appa,
nice.
கயிறு.
Yeah,
அப்பா கயிறு.
Kaira.
One கயிறு.
Okay, can go, friend.
Oh, let's go.
Yes. Come on, let's go. Yeah, loop me.
Not the tree is like a Christmas tree.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
The swimmers.
Very nice.
Come on, follow.
Oh, yeah.
Follow me.
Good.
Follow us.
Follow me.
Follow us.
Follow me.
Follow us.
The other corner inside.
Anaconda inside.
Yes.
Okay,
Look at
can go.
that. The tree has fallen down.
Three fall down. Three fall down. Three fall down.
Where? Ah, maybe dinosaur inside.
Yeah.
Just now you saw the dinosaur movie.
Yes.
Look at the rock over there.
Don't go inside. Maybe snake there.
That's a rock over there.
Good.
The railway track.
Okay, can go some.
Come on.
Please show some places.
Three come back with me. Come back.
Follow us. We are going in.
Ah, this is a good place to
We are
walk.
going to go in the stairs.
Okay, good. Some
another
few
way.
be some doing some pipeline also project also here. Good. This is the very Singapore to Malaysia railway track. Now close ready some few years before. This is a very historic railway track. Over there,
Look at that.
you can see there.
Look.
This is can go Malaysia.
Mosquito eggs.
Can come back to Malaysia, I think.
Mosquito eggs.
Yeah, my mosquito egg. Carefully. Don't
Oh my
do.
God. How many mosquitoes?
This is can do make the dengue fever. Ah, nice place. Hey, this is the called the.
அப்பா நம்ம இதுக்குள்ள
Look at the
போவேன்.
big lips.
Let's go.
Cannot.
Cannot.
Maybe tiger inside.
No snake.
Snake. Oh,
Look at the big
snake can eat. Snake can eat you.
The hot leaf.
Ah, you see the some.
I can see hot. The
Huh?
hot.
There.
It's a heart-shaped leaf.
Yeah, heart shape leaf. Okay.
Everybody follow me.
We are not going in the stairs.
Ah, it's very the grass all very nice place. Maybe the golf.
Follow us this way.
The house, what they say, the house, maybe estate something, or maybe
This way. This way.
Yeah.
This way. Daddy.
very
that's
oldest
my
one.
way.
Nice. Walk carefully.
Yeah. Daddy, we're on the way, right?
Yes.
Come.
Don't go there.
Come.
Can. Oh, it's nice houses. Very good to stay here. Very expensive place for the Queenstown area. Carefully walk. Some
பாம்பு குத்தி பாம்பு நான் கத்திட்டு
kachita.
வந்து பாம்பு
Carefully.
குத்தி பாம்பு
நோ கடிக்கக்கூடாது.
Look at the mango.
ஓகே
Something had.
So the coconut trees. Some coconut trees. Maybe we bring my home, our home.
Look here. Oh, it's a
Mango.
tree there.
Mango tree there.
Something had.
Don't go there. அங்க snake இருக்கும் மாதேஷ். snake இருக்கும் வந்துரு.
Yeah. What are you doing there?
Good, nice place. The behind houses are very nice.
The tiger is here. Tiger.
Tiger, where is tiger? You're going where? Which way?
You're going to the jumping bed.
Me too.
Carefully, yeah.
Where's the tiger? Want to park?
Good.
We are going. Look at the flower over there.
Wow, come back.
Very nice experience for me.
Look, the
good.
that is come ready. That,
Hmm?
that.
Look up.
Yeah.
Look up.
Sun.
That,
Tree is very big, tallest tree.
that,
Good.
that.
Come look at.
Very tallest tree there.
Look at this.
Look at
Very
the
good
jumping bed
natural
over there.
places. We keep other natural, must keep. No natural, we know no more.
Look at this one.
Something running. Maybe snake or some insect.
Yes.
Oh, so I think some insect.
Good. This must be also. Good. I think I want to go. 1, 2, 3, go. Help me. Okay.
Come on,
Good.
this is the jumping bed.
Udubu. We got ready. Can I go, Madesh?
I saw that.
Yeah.
This is looking crocodile.
It's an alligator.
Yes, I think poison also.
Huh?
The tongue. Poison. Madesh poison.
What's that?
Can I go?
You can't go. You can't
Go.
go.
I see him.
Nice. Running. Whew.
God.
Wait, I come back.
I think some of them.
Don't go, Madesh. Don't go, Madesh. Madesh, can I go this way?
Wait. I'm finding this.
Don't go. In.
Don't do anything. Don't do anything. This is our natural places. Come here.
I think some are there.
You want to jump here?
Yes.
Carefully, yeah. Maybe something inside.
Don't scare us.
So you want to swing? Good. Very carefully. Okay, done. Come back. Okay, done. Okay, my kids, come out. Because very oldest, very dangerous for the
Come here.
jumping.
You came here a lot of times.
Good.
Hello, Pa.
Nice place. Come back. So how can I stay? Somebody
You must see this.
staying here. This house is
Come
this
on,
nice
you must
place.
see this one. Come on.
Okay, can go.
Come.
Okay, you can go first. Carefully. He dropped ready. Carefully. Okay. Throw Maris. Okay. I come here now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, flowers.
Yeah, dropping flower.
You see the view.
Yeah, that's why. I'm
Something the
saying.
Palataku like this. Good place.
That's another jumping player.
It's the
Look
yes.
at that, the TV.
Don't go anywhere. Nice place, very nice place here. Looking very nice. Good. Now we're going to take some photos. We stop here This is the Tanglin Hall Road near.
Bye.
Don't go near Madesh.
See you next time.
Okay, see you. This area is the Tanglin Hall near the behind the Tanglin Hall Road. Very good place. Here, still lucky place. Okay. Okay, I take photos, Sam.